you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified of all future uploads, and check the description box below the video for important links and information. How you doing, guys? This is Eric from RuleTheWasteland.com. This video is about why the Plutoxin 7 cases are most likely to skyrocket over the next week to 2 weeks, despite all the measures that are taking place to prevent the spread. Now, the important thing to realize here is that this is going to be a spike in the confirmed cases, not necessarily a drastic increase in the actual spreading of the disease. And for those of you who have not seen my last few videos, I call it Plutoxin 7 after the virus from Escape from LA because I can avoid the YouTube censors, apparently, by not using official terminology. But having everything, a lot of things canceled, like here in Vegas, they're canceling a lot of conferences, they're canceling a lot of sporting events everywhere. These type of things will halt the spread, or at least slow down the spread of the actual disease. But we have seen very, very few tests being done in the United States. I think as of a few days ago, there had only been something like 1,300 tests done. And we already have over, well, it must be more than that now, because I guess we have, but that was for that week or whatever. Because I think there's 3,000 or something confirmed cases. But once they roll out, if you've watched the president's address on Friday, if they do roll out the drive-through testing and expedited testing and things like that, starting potentially Monday or next week, they're going to be testing a lot more people. So a lot of people who have the disease already and already did have it are going to be confirmed to have it, and thus the number of cases is going to probably quadruple, go up by potentially 10 or 20 times in my estimation. So while the actual spread of the disease has probably been slowed by these measures, the number of cases is going to explode exponentially. And we might finally get a real picture of how many people have this disease, this virus. So it probably will look like it's getting a lot worse, but it isn't necessarily getting a lot worse than it was last week. We won't really know for sure, though, until we have, this extensive testing rolled out. So it'll be an interesting time to see what happens. Just keep that in mind when you see the number of cases explode, is it hasn't necessarily gone up by 10 times. It's probably doubling every 4 to 6 days like it is in other countries. But the number of cases that are confirmed are going to explode over the next 2 to 3 weeks. So we won't really know for sure how that is going to affect the hospital system and everything, but it is sure to have some drastic effects. We've already seen today, and I'm recording this on Sunday, that Ohio, California, and I think Illinois are all pretty much mandating that bars and restaurants shut down. I expect the rest of the country to follow suit pretty closely after that, at least sometime this week, maybe as early as later today or Monday. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Check out RuleTheWasteland.com, and I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.